Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. And today I am going to show you how to make the perfect breakfast burrito. So before we get this video started, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe this video. And make sure you check the description box below for all of my links. And come on over and join my new group on Facebook. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to start by using a skillet. I really love using skillets. I have some butter melting in the pan. And the start of most breakfast burritos are the eggs. So we're going to go ahead and crack the eggs in the pan. I'm going to crack 2 eggs in this pan because the tortilla I'm using is large. If you were using a smaller tortilla, then you would crack only 1 egg, or if you were using a really large one, you would crack more eggs. So I'm just going to break the yolk a little bit, and then I'm going to drop that tortilla right on top of the eggs. Now this is what makes the breakfast burrito perfection. The eggs are going to cook and stick to the tortilla, right? And you're going to let that cook all the way through unless you want your eggs to be a little runny. Then you're going to flip it over just like that. It's already toasted that side, and it's already going to toast the other side once you flip it over. Once you do that, you can add cheese. I have some sour cream salsa, tomatoes. I have some bacon in there, and all you're going to do is take it and you're going to roll it. Now see how since the eggs are stuck in there, they're not going to slide out. That's what makes this burrito great. This is what it looks like when I cut it in half. And I also did another one. This one had sausage, potatoes, avocados in there, and some spicy salsa. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what you like to put inside your breakfast burrito. And I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.